Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel ZAHOOR Chemistry. I am SHIEKH, teacher of high school Shang, and today we are going to discuss about the topic diseases and controls. तो आज के टॉपिक में हम कुछ डिजीजेस के बारे में देखेंगे. हम सबसे पहले ये देखेंगे कि डिजीज के जो वेक्टर्स है ये क्या है, और दूसरे में हम ये देखेंगे कि मोड कैसे ये ट्रांसफर होते हैं, किस चीज से ट्रांसफर होते हैं, और तीसरे में हम ये देखेंगे कि इन डिजीज को कंट्रोल करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या इकदाम करने हैं. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद आवर टॉपिक. तो सबसे पहली जो डिजीज यहाँ पर है इसको हम टीबी या ट्यूबरकुलोसिस कहते हैं. इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट dreaded disease or one of the most influential disease. This disease can create a lot of problems, and mostly or eventually any person who suffers from such disease faces death or faces a lot of problem in his life. The main casual agents for this disease are bacteria. The disease is mostly transferred by air. Basically, usually when any patient which is suffering from this particular disease, he spits out. There is the presence of bacteria or what we call as tubercle. That tubercle can be come in the contact of a healthy person, and that particular person can get this particular dreaded disease, that is tuberculosis. It can usually be cured by being in isolation from other people, or there is a medicine, or there is a method that is usually given in the hospital as free, that is DOTS, whereby any patient which suffers from this TB can be cured. Then there is chickenpox. This is mostly caused by a virus. The disease can suffer by air or by contact. If any person or any child is suffered by this chickenpox, if we will touch his body, his clothes, then the disease can be transferred. Or usually this any person which has suffered from this chickenpox, his belongings or his anything that must be separated away from the others. Then there is polio. Polio is usually it is a birth-related disease, or any child after birth that can develop such kind of disease. It is transferred by virus, polio virus. It can be transferred by air or by water. And usually vaccination is done at the time of the birth of the said child, and through this it can be cured. Then there is typhoid. Typhoid can be transferred by bacteria, and it is most important carrier is bacteria. It is transferred by water. It can be usually cured by personal hygiene or maintaining the hygiene of our surroundings. Then there is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is caused by virus, hepatitis B virus. It is mostly caused by impure water or by polluted water, and we can prevent this. We can control this disease by drinking clean and boiled water. And usually the disease is covered by vaccination. Then there is malaria. This malaria is caused by protozoan, female Anopheles mosquito. And usually these mosquitoes, they sprout out and they germinate from the stagnant water. We must not allow water to collect at any place, especially during the summer season, because in summer season their germination is very much high. They can reproduce at a very alarming rate, and they will cause the malaria. And we must not allow water to collect at any place during summers, especially during summers. Then there is dengue. Dengue is caused by virus, and it is mostly transferred from one place to another place by a mosquito. And usually we must use insecticides for it, by the help of which this dengue can be controlled. And it is mostly in those places. It occurs mostly in those places whereby floods can. Then this water gets collected at any place, or it gets collected in near streams, or near any those places which are usually very far away from the habitual places, and thereby these mosquitoes germinate, and this disease get transferred by mosquitoes from one place to another place. And this time a very dreaded disease that engulfed the whole world. The disease is basically caused by virus. Virus are of two types. One is retrovirus and this coronavirus, and this is caused by coronavirus, and this disease is called as COVID-19. अभी तक इसका कुछ इलाज नहीं है, किसी किस्म का कोई मेडिसिन या कोई वैक्सीन या कोई एंटीडोट इसका अभी बनाया नहीं गया है। तो इसके लिए सिर्फ यही है कि आप लोग आइसोलेशन में बैठ सकते हो या आप अपने घरों में बैठ सकते हो। तो इससे इस तरीके से हम इस डिजीज से बच सकते हैं। इसके अलावा और भी प्रिकॉशंस है, यूज ऑफ सैनिटाइजर्स, यूज ऑफ मास्क व्हेनेवर यू पीपल विल गो आउटसाइड। तो अभी तक आप लोगों के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही है कि स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ। सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज टॉपिक। हैव अ नाइस डे।